Point the pen. Concentrate. Write.
I also greatly appreciate the sustained concern which the Institute has shown through its research, publications, and training courses for the improvement of the socio-economic conditions of the workers. This institute is an organization which has collaborated with government agencies and other voluntary organizations in the common endeavor to improve the social and economic conditions of our people. The Institute, in all its activities, has constantly promoted human dignity, individual and social freedom, social justice, and equality of opportunity for the underprivileged sections of our society. In the field of labor, which is so dear to me, I am glad to see that the Institute has taken cohesive active interest both in the formulation of labor policy and in programs for the betterment of the Indian workers. The institute was represented on the first labor commission of the government of India and also on the team of experts on workers' education. The institute also assisted in the task of estimating the minimum need-based wage for the second National Commission on Labor. Under the inspiration of the institute, courses for trade union leaders have been organized in various educational institutions at Bangalore, Bombay, Madras, Mangalore, Ranchi, and Trivandrum. Through its research activities and training courses in labor, health, and education, the Institute has aimed at promoting responsible participation in trade union activities, the improvement of management labor relations in industry, and the creation of an environment favorable to socio-economic growth. The wide social concern for the protection and enhancement of human dignity and social justice has been shown in the international seminars sponsored by the Institute. Voluntary organizations like your institute have an important role to play in preparing our people to face the social and psychological problems encountered in the modernization of our society. Millions of people throughout the world are nursing a grievance against the social order which denies them the bare necessities of existence. The democratic way of living would be in peril if effective action is not taken forthwith to remedy the situation. Can we depend merely on the forces of economic development to bring a satisfactory solution to this state of affairs? Should we not utilize this opportunity when economic development is taking place on a worldwide front to stress that economic progress with social justice is the key purpose of development? Should not adequate arrangements be made forthwith to ensure equitable sharing of the gains of development and prosperity?